Our company is called Jiangsu Fengtuo Precision Forging Technology Company Limited. Our main business is battery tray accessories, air suspension components, and chassis parts for new energy vehicles. We started working with Taikan in June 2022. After evaluating Taikan's machine performance, parameters, and cost effectiveness, as well as feedback from other customers, we finally chose Taikan. Currently, we have over 80 Taikan machines, mainly the 856 model. Looking at last year, the market share of new energy vehicles has already exceeded 50%. Over the next 10 years, this market share should continue to rise. Since competition is getting more intense, we need to choose equipment with higher cost effectiveness and processing capabilities that are stable and sustainable. Because we operate 24 hours a day, long-term processing, we need to ensure continuous production. The machine's performance, precision and stability are generally quite good, whether it's on the sales side or the after sales. The response speed is quite timely. The product range is quite broad and the versatility is strong. Taikan can help us adapt to the needs of different batches and models of products.
Boost performance at the launch of the 5th generation 856S.
It's a great honor and I'm very excited. It is a real pleasure to stand here today as a customer representative for Taikan and to share our Taikan story with everyone.